Once again, good morning. This is Stone Pickers. Now, once again, I will show you one of my pickup stone carbonado black diamond. This is a very beautiful. I have so many pickup here. Carbonado black diamond. Yeah, you can see the crystal white. Looks like melting. This is the fusion cross. And looks like the black looks like the charcoal and many like sparkling light shine like diamond. Yeah, you can see very beautiful, very beautiful. Yeah, this almost more than 1/2 kilogram. One half, 1 1/2, 1.5 kilogram. Yeah, that's it.